All right, folks, looking at the Springfield Square camera right now, seeing the winds a little breezy at times, generally an east wind to a northeast wind at times today, 10 to 15 miles an hour. We're dry right now in Springfield. Had some rain yesterday, had some rain on Wednesday, and we're going to see a whole lot more rain today. A good widespread 1 to 3 inches expected today, tapering off from south to north, right? 3 inches to the south, 1 inch farther up to the north. But a big round of heavy rain across the air expected later today, and that rain's moving in right now the next couple hours. 49 degrees in Springfield. There's your winds out of the east, and it's not bad overall. Cloudy, still kind of gloomy, and now we got rain on the way. Another round of heavy rain for some in the area. A lot of 40s out there this morning. The reason for this is because we've got this boundary in play, and that boundary sits about right here. So there's 3 pockets of storms, right? You have one here, one weak energy here, and then another one right here. This is the next one moving in, that boundary, dividing those, riding those storms in right about there going through central Arkansas. The main storm is back here, okay? Notice this big drop over here in the west. This is what they call a big trough, and so your jet stream is right here, flown down around to the south of this big area of low pressure, and then it's just sending these weak waves of rain off into the central U.S. and eventually off to the east. So here's our next wave of moisture and storm chances coming out of Texas right now, going through Oklahoma, and that's going to be coming here with a lot more rain. So again, looking at the temperature divide from that boundary where it is, here it is, that stationary front, that storm track, if you will. A little warmer to the south of that boundary. We're on the cooler side of that boundary. This is going to try to move northward. As this next storm comes up, it's going to try to pull in some south winds to move the boundary a little farther northward. And that will be kind of a stage-setting scenario for our folks in northern Arkansas, where we could see a little bit higher of a storm risk later this afternoon. Right now, there's your rain and storms coming out of the south and then also from the southwest across Oklahoma. Some severe weather just to the south and east of Oklahoma City, but we're mostly going to be dealing with some rain, possibly a stronger storm today in northwest Arkansas this morning, but generally not looking at much of concern early on this morning. Rain showers and storms making their way across northern Arkansas from Clinton to Mountain View to Melbourne, getting into Ashflat and Salem. Not a good day to ride today. It's going to be raining all through and through with claps of thunder out there, so outdoor plans not advised for today because of the lightning risk alone, let alone the storm risk this afternoon. So again, wave 1 for today. Storms move on through. Some thunderstorms out of this, maybe some small hail, pea-sized, maybe dime-sized at the most, with any one of these storms here. Not anticipating severe weather this morning, the exception being maybe northwest Arkansas. And then we go to this afternoon, 3 p.m., the severe weather risk starts to build back in. That boundary starts to lift northward. That warmer air starts to move in to northern Arkansas, and that'll be some instability laying across northern Arkansas and far south central Missouri this afternoon after 3 p.m. And then we're done for this evening before another wave of rain, some of it heavy, moves in for Saturday. So the storm risk today, a couple tornadoes look possible, okay, mostly across Arkansas, south that state line. Large hail also going to be a concern with that storm risk for today. There's your tornado zone, highest again in the red, northern Arkansas, and then just a little bit of south central and southeastern Missouri. Rainfall through Sunday, still anticipating an additional 1 to 3 inches north of I-44 and a good 3 to 6 inches south of the interstate, all said and done Sunday morning. We will have a freeze a couple times, Sunday night and Monday night. Next week overall right now is looking pretty dry.
All right, Tom, thanks.